Now, with the cheeses, I mean, if you're at home and you might have surprise guests coming over, what's a good cheese to have in the fridge to satisfy everybody?
Yeah, well, I think you always need to get a crowd favourite, and something like a good camembert always goes well, and particularly if you get a French camembert like a Le Conquérant, everybody's going to love it. It'll blow people's socks off because the flavours are just so intense and so out there that most people haven't tasted what a great camembert is. So always look for a great French camembert.
I mean, with lots of things, cheeses have trends as well. What's a trend at the moment in the cheese world?
Gee, I think definitely we're always seeing the triple creams, and cheese just seems to be getting creamier at the moment, but to the detriment of the flavours. We're getting more creaminess, losing a lot of the flavours. I'd love to see some of the big camemberts come back, but also some of the amazing cheddars. Back in the 50s, 60s, we were very much a cheddar-loving nation. We're starting to see some of those great English cheddars coming through now.
This video is thanks to Schweigen, one of Australia's leading kitchen appliance manufacturers, famous for their silent range hoods.